Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on IC markets. Right now we are here on the chart of IC markets and we want to buy some crypto. What you need to do, first of all, is create your account, verify your account or use a demo account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, check a previous video of mine. I created a lot of videos how to do that. But right now we go here to the chart and then we click right here on search symbol. Then we click right here on crypto, and now these are the cryptos where we can choose in. So let's say we want to buy Ethereum. This is now the Ethereum chart and we want to buy some Ethereum. So what we're gonna do right now is click here on new order, and then right here we can select the volume that we want to buy of Ethereum. So let's say we want to buy 1 Ethereum, that is fine. We can create a stop loss right here if you want to. So let's say when he will drop to this amount. And we can create a take profit. So we want to take our profits right here on this place. And then we can click here on buy by market. If you don't have any idea what stop loss or take profit means, you also can delete them. But right now we click here on buy by market. And now if you scroll down, you can find here at all our transfers that we created a nice Ethereum position. So this is exactly how you can buy crypto on IC markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.